Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is your class of second year intermediate. Today I will starting your class with a new chapter, that is issuance of shares. In today's lecture I will discuss with you that what is actually a shares are and how we are issuing these shares. Shares are giving to the general public, and we are issuing or giving them to the general public for the gain of premium, and giving them for the discount also. For in this chapter I will start towards that what actually a share is and how the company is providing shares to the general public. First of all, I will discuss with you in this lecture that what actually a share is. As you can see on the screen, that first of all I have discussed with you that share is what is share. So this will become our question over here, that the share is a certificate of ownership. It means a person who is having this share, he is become the owner of the firm and he can have that certificate, so he will become the member of the firm. Basically, if I talk about the nature of the share will be treated as an asset. It will be a current asset because the life of the current asset is within the 1 year. It can be, you can say, treated within the 1 year, or it can be changed after a year. But currently, if we are using the share as for the purpose of sale and purchase, so we are treating it as a current asset. But we can have the shares for the fixed terminologies also, for the numbers of years also, for the company perspective. But currently we are discussing it as for the current asset because we are treating here this shares as a sale and purchase. We have some types of shares which are treated as fixed shares, and we are using those shares for the generation of premium. The third point here, it is in a form of certificate. So basically a certificate, you can say a share. I will show you the picture. The share is basically a piece of paper like this, a piece of paper in which the name of the firm is mentioned at the top and the face value of the share. You can see the face value like this. The face value of the firm is mentioned, like it can be at your level, it is at the rate of rupees 10. So this share is basically a piece of paper which is given by any company. The name of the company should be at the top and allotted to the different you can say the members or different subscriber which can be journal. So your general public is purchasing these shares having the face value 10, having the face value rupees 10, and these shares can be given to the public by the generation of premium and discount. The certificate is a form in which we can treat as a shareholders or a member. Like the person who is having this certificate, or he will become the member of the firm, we call that person as a shareholder or the member. The last point here, you can see the last point, it is transferable. It means the share can be transferable from one person to another person. We can sold these shares from one general public to another general public for the generation and for the giving the premium to the members also. Now at your level we will have some different transactions of the issuance of shares. First of all, I will discuss with you the basic transaction which we usually mention in the issuance of shares. Issue shares. The first word issue shares, इसका मतलब like you have given shares to a specific person. आपने किसी को shares दिए. You are providing or giving the shares to the general public. Now what will be the journal entry? We are basically recording our chapter of issuance of shares and debentures in the form of journal. For the journal we must have the format, like first of all I would like to mention your date over here, then your particulars, then your lastly is the post reference. Kindly better be careful while you're writing. For the journal you must follow the format of the journal. At the top you must write the name of the firm, and for the issuance of shares, okay, then if the month is mentioned you can write over here. Now this is your complete format. You all can see on the board that I am giving you the format for the journal. First transaction is just issue shares. Now how I will record this? I will record this in a matter. The first journal entry, number 1, I issue shares. It means when I issue shares, my bank will be debited and share capital will be credited. Okay, now the bank value will be debited, it should be on the debited side, and the capital value should be credited, it should be on the credited side. What I will do, I will write the narration over here to record issuance of shares, then I will close my narration, and then I put the narration line. Now how I will record this amount? First of all, I would like to mention you that how you have to understand this. The nature of the bank is your asset, and when your asset is increasing, it will be the debited. Okay, share capital, as it is the chapter of company, so for the company we are always using the word share capital, क्योंकि उस वक्त कंपनी में बहुत सारे पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल इन्वेस्ट हुए होते हैं, इंडिविजुअल पार्टनर नहीं होता. अगर इंडिविजुअल पार्टनर होगा तो हम वर्ड कैपिटल का यूज़ करेंगे, एंड व्हेन वी हैव न्यूमरस पार्टनर्स सो वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड शेयर कैपिटल. सो व्हेन इट इज़ अ कम्बिनेशन ऑफ द पार्टनर्स ऑफ द फर्म वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड शेयर कैपिटल. योर कैपिटल इज इंक्रीजिंग, इट विल बी द क्रेडिट. Now I proceed explaining you. After writing this journal, how you can record, you can calculate the amounts over here. You can calculate the amounts. The first of all, you have to write it down the share capital. Then there is a formula for writing the share capital. Here is the formula. You have to write it down. Numbers of shares multiplied by face value. Okay. Now I will discuss what is the face value, and I will discuss how you can calculate this again. Yes बेटे, I have discussed with you the formula for the share capital. जो भी आपने जर्नल एंट्री में लिखा है, the formula for the share capital. शेयर कैपिटल आप लोग कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हो? The formula, very simplest formula जो आपने अपनी जर्नल एंट्री में मेंशन करना है. The formula for the journal entry is numbers of shares multiply by the फेस वैल्यू. ओके, एवरी शेयर हैज़ इट्स फेस वैल्यू, जिसका सिनोनिम हमारे पास पार वैल्यू भी है. मीन्स इस वक्त अगर मैं शेयर वैल्यू जो हमारा फेस वैल्यू है उसको मैं PV भी कॉल कर सकती हूँ. ओके, आई कैन राइट इट डाउन हेयर. इट कैन बी योर पार वैल्यू और इट कैन बी योर फेस वैल्यू. जो हमारे पास हर शेयर के टॉप पे उसकी वैल्यू मेंशन होगी, इसको FV अगर मैं लिखूँ यहाँ पे FV, इट विल बी योर फेस वैल्यू, and PV it will be your par value. Okay, so we have these two terms, face value and par value, and these are synonym of each other. You can use any one of them, or I am using the word or between them. So face value and par value is the actual value of that piece of paper which a company is issuing to the general public. जो हम general public को एक piece of paper provide करेंगे, उसकी जो एक्चुअल वैल्यू है, जो कंपनी को पता है, उसकी वैल्यू क्या है? 10 रुपये है, आप लोग के इंटरमीडिएट के अकॉर्डिंगली. ठीक है, सो एक शेयर की वैल्यू अगर 10 रुपीज़ है तो हम जितने नंबर्स ऑफ शेयर, सपोज 600 शेयर्स हम किसी को दे रहे हैं, देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 एंड देन आई विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ द शेयर कैपिटल, दैट विल बी योर 6000. Clear? So I will proceed again towards the journal entry which we formed over here. हमने अभी फॉर्मूला क्या अप्लाई किया बेटे? नंबर्स ऑफ शेयर्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय द फेस वैल्यू. ओके, numbers of shares is 600 multiplied by the face value is 10, and I can write it down the value over here. This will be your 6000. Okay, the value of debit and credit is always equal, so definitely your credited side is 6000, definitely your debited side will also be 6000. So I will write it down. In the debited side it will be 6000. You can see that at the debited side your bank will be 6000 and your share capital will also be 6000. Okay, and you can write it down one more thing कि आप यहाँ पे बैंक की अमाउंट में भी नंबर ऑफ़ शेयर्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय फेस वैल्यू मेंशन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि इसमें हमारे पास सिंपल ट्रांजैक्शन है जस्ट इशुएंस ऑफ शेयर्स की. इशुएंस ऑफ शेयर्स एक दफ़ा आपको और रिवाइज करा देती हूँ. डेट व्हेन यू आर इशुइंग शेयर्स टू द जनरल पब्लिक and when we are providing shares to general public at face value, we always apply the formula for the share capital, numbers of shares multiply by 10, which we have done over here. ये इसका फिक्स फार्मूला है और हर दफ़ा यही फार्मूला आपके पास शेयर कैपिटल में यूज़ होता है. This is your first lecture for the issuance of shares, and hope you understand the lecture very well, that how we are providing shares to the general public. What is actually a share is basically certificate for the ownership, will be treated as an asset for the company. It is a certificate, and the person who is having that certificate, he will become the member and the shareholder. That certificate can be transferable from one person to another person. The formation of shares will be in the form of journal entry and the basic journal entry. The basic transaction for the shares is issue share. This is your first transaction which I have discussed in today's lecture, and the formation of this transaction is bank debit share capital credit. For the working, I use one formula for the share capital is numbers of shares multiplied by the face value. Numbers of shares हमेशा आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन होंगे, फेस वैल्यू आपको ऑलरेडी गिवन होगी क्वेश्चन में, आपको जस्ट उसको सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू फॉर द शेयर कैपिटल. आपके डेबिटेड एंड क्रेडिटेड साइड ऑलवेज इक्वल होंगे. द अमाउंट ऑफ क्रेडिटेड साइड विल ऑलवेज बी इक्वल टू द अमाउंट ऑफ डेबिटेड साइड. थैंक यू सो मच. दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर टुडे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.